Hi everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use what3words in Wandersafe. Wandersafe is a very cool app for travelers, especially if you're traveling alone. It is available both on iOS and Android. And when you open the app, you can see important places such as police stations, hospitals, pharmacies, etc. with different icons. And you can label a place safe or unsafe, or leave a tip for other safety. If you register in the app and add your emergency contacts, in case of an emergency, you can tap on the SOS button here and notify your emergency contacts your whereabouts. The app will send the coordinates of your location as well as the 3-word address. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. See you with the next tutorial.